Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share someone else's story in your story. So let's begin. So first of all, open your Instagram application. Now select any one of the stories. So if this is the story that you want to share, click on this share button. Yeah, as you can see, there is no such option as share it to your story because they have not mentioned you. So the another way is taking a screenshot. Just take a screenshot of the story. Go to your camera. Here select the gallery option and choose the same story. Now you can add this as your story by clicking on this button down here. Click on share. So now it's done. So this is the way how you share someone else's story into your own story. Thank you for watching.